In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Bitwarden extension on your Chrome, Firefox, or Safari browser. Whether you're setting it up on Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Safari, the process is quite simple and straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step so you can start securely managing your passwords in no time. First, let's focus on those of you using Google Chrome. Open up your Chrome browser and head over to the Chrome Web Store. This is the place where all your favorite extensions live. Once there, you'll notice a search bar prominently displayed at the top. Go ahead and type Bitwarden Password Manager right into that search bar. It's important to make sure you're choosing the correct extension, so look for the one developed by Bitwarden Inc. This ensures you're getting the official, trusted extension. Once you've found the Bitwarden extension, simply click on it to open its page. On this page, you'll see a blue button that says Add to Chrome. Click on that button, and a confirmation window will pop up. This step is crucial, as it allows you to give permission to integrate Bitwarden into your browser. You'll want to go ahead and click on Add Extension to confirm. Almost immediately, you'll see a new shield icon appear on your Chrome toolbar, indicating a successful installation. Now, for those using Firefox or Safari, the process is quite similar. You'll want to visit the respective web stores for your browsers, Mozilla add-ons for Firefox, or the Safari extensions page. Once there, use the search bar to locate Bitwarden Password Manager and select the official extension offered by Bitwarden Inc. Just like we did with Chrome, you'll follow through by clicking the button that allows you to add the extension to your browser, completing any confirmation steps required. Back to our recently installed extension on the toolbar. Go ahead and click on that freshly appearing Bitwarden Shield icon. A new window will open up asking you to either log in or create a free account. If you already have an account, simply input your credentials and get started with managing your passwords. If not, creating an account is a quick process and is completely free, allowing you access to Bitwarden's range of features. Bitwarden is renowned for its secure open source options for password management, and now, with the extension conveniently installed right in your browser, you'll find it's easier than ever to securely manage your various passwords. Rest assured, your information will be secure and well organized, allowing for a smoother and safer online experience across your favorite web browsers. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.